Well, good morning. We both had a pretty good sleep last night, and we woke up to another gorgeous day here at the Valley of the Gods. But we are leaving. We're going to head to Page, Arizona, get some groceries, probably do laundry, and maybe see some of the sights. And we also have to dump our black and gray tanks and fill our fresh tank. So we're going to do that along the way, I think probably when we get to Page. But that's our agenda for today.
Welcome to our little camper adventures, where we put a lot of fun into a small space and have the time of our lives.
Dumped, and next task is going to be fill water and laundry and groceries. Leaving Page, Arizona. We got a lot done. We got gas for the car. We emptied our black and gray tanks for the camper and filled the camper fresh tank with water, and then did a load of laundry. So we're pretty productive. We're going to continue our trek west. I think our final plan is to go to a dispersed camping area between Page, Arizona and Zion National Park. arrived at our boondocking spot for the night. I will put in at the bottom of the screen where we're staying. But this is really nice. It's up in the mountains more, out of that desert area where it was pretty hot and dry. Today is gorgeous and it's beautiful up here. It's in like the low 70s with a nice breeze. Feels great. So we're going to spend the night here and then head to Zion boondocking area, either east or west of Zion. We're not 100% decided on just yet, but wherever our heart takes us.
Thank you for watching our little camper adventures. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button if you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel and share with others. Leave a comment so we can get to know you better. Thanks again!